Dr. Mandal here. So this is day 10 and week 4 of using wild growth hair oil, and I wanted to give you guys an update. I just got through getting out of the shower. Well, not just out of the shower. I've been out of the shower for a bit, so my hair is wet. Not wet, it's damp. My hair was wet when it was in the shower, but now I got up pretty early this morning, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. But anyway, I got up pretty early this morning, and I decided I wanted to wet my hair down in the shower. So I did that, and I like to use warm to hot water on my dreads. I don't know if everybody else likes to do that, but I do. It seems like it helps with whatever I needed to help with. So after I did that, I worked on some art and just let my hair like get to the point where it's just damp and it's not dripping dry. So now it's damp. So what I'm going to do is put some of this wild growth hair oil onto the palm of my hand and the tips of my fingers and massage my scalp with it. I think I'm not going to put it on my hair because I am concerned about buildup with this because it's really thick, and with the Jamaican black castor oil, Jamaican mango and lime that I've been using too. I want to make sure I don't have any buildup. And thank you, subscriber and viewer, who suggested that. Well, I don't know if you're a subscriber, but viewer who left a comment saying to be mindful of buildup, and that's true because these are really thick. These are really thick oils. So I have been mixing the oil when I did use it, the black Jamaican castor oil, with like coconut oil or olive oil, and putting it on my scalp and my hair, and my hair seems fine. It doesn't feel like it's weighed down or anything like that. But just to be on the safe side, I decided I'm just going to use just on the scalp today and just let my hair dry and see what happens. So I'm really enjoying it. As I said before, I could see difference in my eyebrows. Actually, they seem like they're coming in a lot more. I could see more hairs growing in. And my hairline does look a lot better. Looks like it's grown in more or gotten thicker at the hairline, which I really like that, especially up front here and on the side here. So in the back of my head, I have noticed a difference too. I feel like there's a lot more new growth in the back coming. Little tiny dreadlocks forming in the back of my head. So who knows how many dreads I have at this point. So without further ado, here we go. Alright. As I've said before, that I didn't used to use oils of any kind or anything like that. I used to keep things very, very minimal. The most that I ever did was to, I guess, what would I say that was not minimal? What was the hairstyles I was wearing? And the hairstyles that I was wearing was taking its toll on my scalp. I can't wear my hair like to bed in a braid or some sort of, or bantu knots or anything like that, because it really irritates my scalp, and I don't like the pulling. And also, for the main fact too, is that I have freeform dreadlocks and I don't separate my locks. There's some people that say they're semi-freeform dreadlock, meaning that they do separate their dreadlocks, but I don't separate my dreadlocks. I just let them be. I let them do what they do. The most that I do to them, as you've seen on past videos, is that I'll put them up maybe in two under braids. I mean, I'm not that good at French braids anymore. Two under braids, one braid, you know, two buns. But I try to take a break from the hairstyles. Well, you call them hairstyles. I don't like to call them. I like to take a break from all that in the evening, and to take my hair, take the whatever I have my hair in down. Like if it's braids, take the braids down, because it's too much tension on my scalp. I can't handle that. Some people can, and maybe it has to do with the fact that my hair is a different length, because some are really short, some are long, and some are in between. So that has a lot to do with it, I'm sure. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna massage, as I'm doing right now, this wild growth hair oil into my scalp. Oh, that feels good. And I'll come back to you guys next week to let you know the progress on it. It's almost the end of the month, so I'll let you know what that's about. I got a feeling that after I finish with this month treatment of experimenting with wild growth hair oil, I'll probably use it probably once a week, because I cleanse my dreads once a week. So I'll probably just use it then. Some have said that they use it as a hot oil treatment. Um, I think it might be, I think it can be used that way if you mix it with some other oil that's not as thick. Like this probably could, the Jamaican mango lime, Jamaican black castor oil can be used possibly as hot oil treatment mixed with other oil. I could see that if you wanted to do a deep hot oil treatment. But I like it. It's nice. And it hasn't been doing anything bad to my hair or my scalp. I feel like there's improvements in the health of my hair. And that's why I decided to try this. You know, as I said, I'm not somebody who uses tons of products. I don't. I'm not into like, doing commercials and stuff for products. Some people are, and that's okay, because they find something that works and they want to share it with you. And then they get into trying all these different products. Some people are just, that's the type of channel they have, is they just try out products. I'm not that kind of person. I like to find something that works and just keep working with it. After I finish using all the oils of the stuff that I have, I might just investigate making my own oils and things like that. So it's not terribly hard to do, to make these oils. I think what it is hard about it is getting the quality ingredients to put into these oils to make them as good as they are. So quality is definitely a number one. That's the first thing to think about when looking at this kind of stuff. So yeah, this is the most I'm using. I'm not using anything else, any fancy conditioners or anything like that. I mean, this is something I wanted to try out, and I feel like I'm having success with it, because I feel that my scalp's not as itchy as it used to be, because my scalp was very itchy for a while. It got really dry, and it could have something to do with the quality of the water here when I take a shower and I cleanse my dreads and my scalp with it. Then that could have something to do with it. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom so you can see a better view of my hair. And once again, sorry if it's gonna be loud, because the when I turn on the light in my bathroom, the fan automatically comes on. That's how this apartment is designed. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So that's about as good as I can get with showing you what it looks like from the side, the front, and the back. If I had a photographer or a camera person, then that would be a different story. But I don't. So that's as best as I can show you. But I feel like my hair, my dreads, my scalp feel really good. I still love that smell. I love the smell of it. It's beautiful. And if you try it, please let me know. And let me know what your experience has been with it. I really find that it's working for me for what I wanted it to do. Mainly just you know, to thicken my roots and to help with my hairline and the growth of the spots on my head that don't grow that fast. I mean, I've told you guys it's like the back of my head doesn't grow as fast as the sides of my hair and the front. So, and top right in here in the middle is slow going a little bit. So I thought I would incorporate this into my regimen of, continuing to have healthy head of freeform dreadlocks. So thanks for joining me, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes and shares. And thank you for your kind comments. Leave your comments down below and let me know, like I said, if you've tried the wild growth hair oil or even the mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil. I'd be interested to know how many of the viewers here have tried it. Some of you have already commented that you have and you've enjoyed using it. So yeah, feel free to tell me how you use it too. So maybe I won't use it the way that I'm using it, but after this month, I'm just gonna go with just using it once a week, and just go from there. So anyway, with that said, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Brightest blessings to you all, and I'll see you soon.